Threat. Threat.
Hey, White. Look inside
Threat.
the camo box. It's a box of 380 bullets. Get him.
Threat. Threat.
Not for real right now.
Threat.
I'm going to talk you through it.
Threat.
My wife is from the tower.
Threat. Yeah, you dialing it in. Threat. Threat.
Boss.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Threat.
While you're on top of it.
Can't get that right one.
That right one's a problem. So squeeze that first one real quick and lock in on that second one.
All right.
Threat.